Hi my dear friends, today's adventure takes us to Makeli Ella, a 10-meter cascade hidden within large lowland greenery. Formed by a branch of Makeli Ella, part of the Kalutara watershed, this falls is affectionately known as the bride's veil for its elegant sheet-like flow. To reach the viewpoint, you'll need to walk down a short flight of concrete steps that cuts through the greenery. It's not a long descent, but the path can be damp and slippery, so take it slow and steady. As you make your way down, the forest seems to open up around you. And then, suddenly, there it is, Makeli Ella in full view. A graceful curtain of water cascading down into a serene natural pool. From this lower vantage point, the waterfall appears even more striking, framed by overhanging branches and moss-covered rocks, like a hidden gem unveiled just for you. Makeli Ella plunges roughly 10 meters, descending gracefully over smooth granite into a calm natural basin. Surrounding stones create natural platforms. This isn't just a tourist spot, it's a mini ecosystem. The moist environment supports ferns, broadleaf shrubs, and moss-covered rocks. But alongside its beauty comes a sobering truth. Makeli Ella has claimed over 50 lives over the years, often due to slippery rocks, unpredictable water currents, and overconfidence. It's vital to respect this site, enjoy it from safe vantage points, and avoid swimming in risky areas. What adds to the mystique of Makeli Ella are the historical and mythical tales passed down through generations. Some say this very area was once visited by the legendary warrior Mathugama, a prince known for his fearless spirit and dramatic escapes during the Kandyan period. Local folklore suggests he may have hidden in the dense forest surrounding the falls, or even used the waters for rituals or refuge. These stories deepen the sense of awe you feel standing here, reminding you that this place holds both natural wonder and cultural memory. Makeli Ella is more than scenery. It's part of daily life in nearby villages. Travelers and locals alike come here for picnics, reflection, and cooling off on hot afternoons. If you find a small tea stall or hut, it's a great chance to support local families. Just remember to leave the site as clean as you found it. Whether you're refreshing during a road trip or seeking serene nature, this fall deserves a place on your Sri Lanka itinerary. Thanks for journeying with me. If you enjoyed discovering Makeli Ella, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on your next dream destination in Sri Lanka. Until next time, bye-bye.